What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to put some new seats in your car. First I want to let you guys know, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like the video, share it, turn the notification bell on. If you like this shirt that I'm wearing, I'll put a link in the description down below where you guys can go ahead and pick one up. It helps out the channel. I also have stickers you guys can go ahead and pick up as well if you want some. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to install these. Let me show you guys real quick how they look inside the car. When we did install them, it was inside of a shop, so it's not the best lighting to see. But here you go, you can now see them fully installed. So let's go ahead and get right on into this. A bit of background noise today. It's because Sammy boy over here, he's installing coils on his new Mustang. And I think you should keep it like that. That looks perfect. There's any wires underneath for airbag. Alright, so we're gonna remove the 4 bolts in each corner to remove the seat. We're gonna make sure that there's any connectors we need to disconnect for like airbag sensors and all that. I'm gonna leave the front bolts in just a little bit. I'm not gonna take them all the way out. Just that way when we stop, it doesn't come off. On the TC, it has these little clips on the back on each side. Just go ahead and pop them off. They should be just really clipped on there, and just pop it off. And then you have access to the bolt right there. All right, so now we got all the bolts off. We're gonna go ahead and lift this up and check for any type of sensors underneath before we just go ahead and take the seat right out. All right, so you see we got a couple of sensors over here. We're just gonna unplug those and then we can pull the seat right out. Woo! Woo! I want the ode. No seat. Look alive, look alive, look alive. Oh, daddy. Welcome to the we got a vacuum in here, cleaned up a bit. So now we're gonna go ahead and take the new seats over here and start putting the brackets on and get it in there. The 4 bolts here on the seat, go ahead and take these off, and then the seat rails, the sliders will go right on here. So on the seat bracket, you'll have these pieces right here. This is the release to slide the sliders forward and backwards. You're gonna have to push this down and slide these back so you can access the holes here, and then you're just gonna go ahead and choose a hole, and then you're gonna put this back into the seat. Come with these little thick spacers here. You're gonna put these between the bracket, or the sliders, and the seat, just like that. Then line the bracket up. You're gonna take one of these black bolts that goes through the slider and put the washer over the bracket here, and then the nut, and tighten everything down. Alright, and then don't forget to put this in. You're supposed to put it in before this. There's 2 holes, there's little slots. You'll see them sticking out on the inside of the bracket. These just go ahead and pinch in there, and there should be enough tension to keep them pinched together. We're just gonna go ahead and take the factory seat belt, put a bolt through there with a washer, and put it to the bracket. Now that I got the seat belt attached back on, rails bracket on, just go ahead and plop it back in and repeat just like unbolting. And then just like taking it out, have these holes here, we'll line them up with the floor and bolt it back down. Looks so much better than, you know, that.